？Past perfect 幾時用？早過 simple past。simple past 幾時用？事情發生咗時間好清楚。Past perfect 早過 simple past 要用噶啦，佢嘅格式係吃加 pp。最早嗰個動作比 simple past 早嘅，你直接抌個吃加 pp，唔好撈亂 present perfect 啊。present perfect 係 has have 加 pp，呢個係 past perfect 吃加 pp。嗯，先着衫褲後出門口之後啊嘛嘅嗰個，先食 lunch 後洗碗碟，唔好怕佢吃加 pp 啊嘛。呢、個 pp 係咩？吃吃冇問題。瞓覺之前做功課，做完功課去瞓覺。瞓覺之前做功課之後，留意兩粒字，句頭或者句中，唔好俾佢玩到你，唔好俾佢玩到你，唔好俾佢玩到你，考試會玩你。set。如果你覺得好容易，你啱晒，讀啱晒，睇下你文章有冇用過 past perfect 嗰啲四格圖？點解冇？你冇理解。所有理解明白嘅嘢都要用到。即係 put out the fire when the firemen arrive。到達之前已經救咗火啦。The rain has stopped when I woke up。起身之前已經停咗啦，早過 simple past。She ran out after she has got dressed. My sister washed up the dishes after she had had her lunch. I had done my homework before I went to bed. After I had done my homework, I went to bed. They stopped working. Stop 跟 ing。如果 stop 跟 ing 即係唔做嗰個動作。After the sun had set, when she had finished reading book, she put it back on the shelf。先睇書，後擺翻上個櫃度。平面用 on，包住用 in。After the gardener had swept the leaves, he burned them。先掃走晒啲葉，跟住燒晒佢，燒先好。Before we could get on the bus, get on 上，get off 落。大嘅交通工具用 on 同埋 off。成個人行得入去，唔使屈埋一嚿叫大。的士呢啲唔叫大，叫 into，離開叫 out of。要屈個人嘅 into out of，唔使屈個人成個人行入去嘅 get on get off。諗下 train 使唔使屈？諗下 MTR 使唔使屈？諗下飛機使唔使屈？He drove off when he had said goodbye to us. He bought the dress. Bought 個原色係咩？Buy。Bought the dress after she had tried it on. The car had disappeared round the corner before I could。佢係第三類動詞 can 嘅 simple past。Noun clause 緊。Who the driver was? She said that she had lost her pen. Lose, lost。I discover，我發現咗，我唔見咗我個 mobile phone。你有冇留意一句有兩個動詞？Past perfect 係唔可以獨立成句。Past perfect 唔可以獨立成句，一定要陪住 simple past 一齊用。所以 past perfect 係加 pp 同 simple past 係唔同，但係其實佢女朋友係 simple past。如果你個 past perfect 係獨立成句而冇 simple past 嘅話，即係錯。simple past 溫翻咯，完啦。 見啦，past perfect 就係先冇 pass 過女朋友或者男朋友，希望家下幫到你，加油！